Using images is a great way to break up text, highlight your products or portfolio, and showcase your brand's personality. After you add images to pages on your site, you can resize them to make them bigger or smaller on the page. Every Squarespace site also has responsive design. This means the sizes of your images automatically change depending on the device each visitor uses to visit your site. To add an image, first select an image block. Upload an image of your choice. Then, to resize, simply click and drag a corner or side of the image. You can also adjust the cropped shape of an image by clicking the pencil icon, then the Design tab. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.